guys, it's Jamie with Not2 Shabby. I'm so excited. Today is release day. We have a hop-in giveaway right now. So you're going to hop to each channel by clicking that hashtag N2S Holiday Sparkle. It's going to bring up all the videos in this hop. You'll leave a comment, like, subscribe if you love what you see, and then come back to my Rafflecopter link and enter into the giveaway. One person's going to win a $25 gift certificate to Not2 Shabby. The giveaway will end on the 14th, and I will have it posted on my community tab on the 15th. So today we have a brand new box of the month, a brand new stamp and die of the month, and a brand new paper pad subscription. So I can't wait to share these products with you. If you've been watching our countdown to release day, you've seen these beautiful projects that I've created that you can follow along and create them too. So I'll share them quickly for those who haven't seen them. But before the projects, I do want to share what's in the box in case you haven't been watching. We'll go over it quickly, not in too much detail, because you could go back to those other videos for more details. So in this month's box, you're going to get a large 6x8 stamp set. This is a beautiful stamp set. It's called Farmhouse Christmas, and the images are just gorgeous in here. There's these two cars, one with a Christmas tree on top and one with some presents. There's a little banner on each that say Noel and Joy. Beautiful sentiments here. Life is better on the farm. A farmhouse Christmas, wishing you joy. And then there's some stamps in here that are solid, so you could stamp them with your colored inks and have fun with that. So gorgeous stamp set. Our second stamp set is called New Year. It's got these fabulous sentiments in here. Same me, bigger goals. I like that because you can use that like in a planner or in a scrapbook, and it doesn't have to be for like a New Year's themed. We have Let's Celebrate, 12 chapters, 365 new chances, cheers y'all, New Year cutie, the best is yet to come. And someone pointed this out, one of my subscribers, that the best is yet to come. You can use that for like a wedding card. New Year, same hot mess. Happy New Year 2023. New Year wishes, but first champagne, and have a sparkling new year. So lovely sentiments. And here's a card using one of the sentiments, the best is yet to come. Turned out really pretty. And then for our first paper pad, we have Christmas on the Farm, which is just so awesome. Just love the farmhouse feel. Love the buffalo check. I'm going to flip through this really quickly. Just beautiful prints in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Love this one here in this black and white chalkboard looking one with the trees. So, so cute. So you get 4 of each design in here. I do have some paper and ephemera left over, so if you wanted to grab an extra, those are available. I do also have this stamp set available. So there was some leftovers, so if you wanted this stamp set, you can go ahead and grab that on the site. So we have coordinating ephemera that matches perfectly with the paper pad, and you can see I used it on these projects here. So this cute little pocket. And if you want to see me in action putting this together, go back to my sneak peek videos. Super cute. And then, nope, I didn't. I used the stamps on here. I'll show you those. So this is the stamp set. So one layer card, just stamped it right on the paper. Super cute and simple. Use the paper on the inside and on the back. Then we created a shaker card using the paper, the stamp set, And the shaker mix inside you will be getting in your box as well. Let's see, did I decorate? No, I didn't decorate the inside yet. So for the ephemera, I'm just gonna dump it out so you could get an idea, but you can go back to the other video to see it all in detail. You can see the beautiful colors, the farmhouse, there's trees in here for added accents. You could put them behind the barn. You could put them behind, like, you make a road and have the trees in the background. There's some sentiments, warm winter wishes, merry and bright. There's a nice lantern. This wreath that says Merry Christmas. Just really cute. There's trucks with presents and tractors. There's a lot of these holly pieces which make good accents on your cards. Cute little cardinal. And those are from the stamp sets. There's some ornaments. One says love, joy. I know there's a little coffee cup in here, or a little hot cocoa. So very, very cute. And for our next paper pad, we have Sparkling Wishes. It's a gorgeous paper pad. Peaches, grays, blacks, light, and gold. So I'll flip through this quickly. Just beautiful prints, beautiful stars on there. Love the stripes in this pattern paper. Gorgeous. And someone pointed out that this paper would make great like a bachelorette party paper, so that's awesome. You can use this for birthdays as well, and weddings. So there's only like a few sheets that have the 2023 in there, so I would use those up this year, and then any of the leftovers, you know, save them for other cards. Like this one has the 2023 on it. So gorgeous paper. We have the coordinating ephemera. So in this package, we have presents, balloons, these florals, which are beautiful. They're all in like this peachy pink and gold. There's the champagne. There's mylar balloons. And then there's some floral pieces, a clock that's about to turn midnight. Little sign that says 2023. So more clocks, little clusters of all the images. These pretty presents. So you get the idea here. So pretty. And then I did use the paper and the ephemera on these little gift bags. So these were really easy to make. You can check out my video if you want to see how I did that. So I made 2 of those. And then I made a little candy box and decorated that. And then you're going to get this calls for confetti custom mix that matches perfectly to the farmhouse paper. So there's cute little trees in there, red, green. We've got like a silver, very, very pretty mix. So now I want to share the new paper pads for the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month. So for the Stamp and Die of the Month, we have this really cute stamp set, images by Whimsical Inklings, and I'm going to create a card using the stamp, and there is a coordinating die, so you could grab the stamp or the Stamp and Die combo. And when you join this club, you get an 18% off discount of your Stamp and Die. So to join the club, there'll be a drop-down menu. You click on that and it says monthly. So you'll choose that before checking out. And then you'll be on the recurring orders and get yourself a brand new Stamp and Die every month. The stamp is on a magnetic sheet, so you could store it away easily. This die for the fence here, it does cut out the inside portion of the fence. So I really like that, and it cuts out all the sentiments. This here is a mound of snow, but you can also use that as a cloud. So we have the sentiments: let it snow, cozy winter vibes, thanks snow much, warm wishes, and merry everything. I think these papers coordinate very well with the Stamp and Die this month. So we have winter blues and dots for winter. So if you have all of our dots for each season, we have now a complete collection with dots for winter. So these are gorgeous colors. So for these dots for winters, the dots are all the same size in these gorgeous colors. So you've got a lot of colors in here. They are just very, very cute. I love these colors. Look at that dark blue. That is gorgeous. And then it coordinates very well with the Winter Blues paper pad. So Teresa always puts in some graphics inside one of the paper pads, at least one of the paper pads. That way you can cut them out and use them on your card fronts. Make some quick and easy cards that way. So we've got a nice background here. Is that called damask pattern? And then we've got a cluster of like winter poinsettias, and then a cluster here of like skates and mittens and a hat and a poinsettia. It's on a heart background. Here's a beautiful page. That would make a great scrapbook page. Then we've got a really pretty background. Looks like wind blowing with snowflakes. And then this one's really pretty as the edge. Gorgeous colors. Nice patterns. And then this one, you can cut these out and create some really cute cards. Really beautiful images. And then an ombre of glitter. It's faux glitter. And then more beautiful patterns. You get 4 of each pattern in here. So you have 4 of these. So you could create plenty of cards. So all 3 of these are available in the shops. I have to keep this video short, so I am going to upload the process of this on a separate video. I stamped out some of my images that I will be coloring in my next video. So I will be sharing the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club project on a separate video. Since this is a hop, I have to keep it short. So thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to click the hashtag to check out all the videos in this hop. Really do appreciate you shopping with me and shopping small business. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.